Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, the 5th of the January 2021. Let's take a look at the Forex calendar and then of course we will do some Forex analysis. Today, due to the popular demand, there will be analysis of spot gold and spot silver markets. So let's just swipe down towards Tuesday, the 5th January. What do we have here? Overnight, nothing much happened. We got data from Germany and from Switzerland. Germany retail sales beats the expectations. Very nice number, 1.9% versus the forecast of -2%. Very nice. CPI from the Switzerland was worse than expected, and minus 0.1% versus the 0% of the forecast, and was then minus 0.2% last month. We got a bunch of data from European Union regarding the labor market, unemployment change, unemployment rate from Spain and from Germany. They are going to be released 5 minutes to 10, and that's everything for the London session, and there is some kind of interesting data during the New York session. 2:30, data from Canada are scheduled for release. Industrial product price index and raw material product price index. They don't have much impact for the markets, but at 4 o'clock we got the ISM manufacturing data, which has a high impact on the market. So I think we should take a look on the US dollar to the Swiss franc and US dollar to Japanese yen. Then we got some speeches from the FOMC members, 9:45, Charles Evans and John Williams. And during the night we got some data from the Australia AAG performance of services index and PMI manufacturing from Australia. So not really busy day for the markets, but ISM manufacturing is definitely the highlight of the day. So let's take a look at the silver, gold, Japanese yen and Swiss franc related to the American dollar. So the overall look at the silver daily time frame chart looks like this. We got some kind of a uptrend started in 2020 in the March, in the middle of the March. We went towards 29.80, so almost $30 for an ounce of the silver. Then we have some kind of a correction, kind of a pullback, but we still traded below this trend line. Recently, as you can see, we broke higher above the trend line, and that's important market behavior. As you can see, it was a classical behavior. First we went towards the trend line, then next day breakout, and then higher and higher. This is interesting candle, indecision candle, and then one of the down days that went towards the technical support at $25, $24.81, so somewhere there. But we got a bounce and we got another local high made, because we are trading above 27.40. Local high was made at the level of 27.52, so it wasn't that much, but it's enough for this market to continue the rally. And the next target, in my opinion, as you can see from the chart, is located at the level of 28.85. So that's the next target for the bulls. The short term trend is still up. We can even make some kind of a channel, I think, here. There you go, from this nice candlestick, and then we got something like that. As you can see, just a one breakout, and this breakout here, and then go back. Very nice channel, the up sloping ascending channel on the silver. As long as we trade inside of this channel, the outlook for the silver is positive. 28.85 first target and the high of 29.80 second target. So that's the spot silver. Now spot gold. The same situation on the spot gold. As you can see, breakout above the local resistance, of course, it was 1905, let's say, and now we are going towards 1965. So let me just make this zone red because it's our demand zone. This is kind of a little bit wide zone, 1965, 1992. So that's the zone right now for the supply zone for the bulls, right? So we are trading towards this zone. We will see which of the level will be the exact level for the bulls to hit it. And I think we should make another channel because it looks like we are trading. Yes, we are trading inside of the channel. Look at this lower trend line, and if we just put the upper trend line, we can see that the market is just as in the spot gold. Market is trending inside of the channel. 1, 2, 3 bounces from the channel line. That's perfect. So as long as we're trading inside of the channel, the outlook is bullish. It looks like we are getting towards the red rectangle, and possibly we will break higher, but let's wait just for the result of the trading inside of this rectangle. The first attempt was very bad for the bulls. We made another low, and then eventually hit almost 50% of the last wave down. So wave up, sorry. So right now it looks very good for the bulls for now. USD and Swiss franc. What is going on here? Well, downtrend continued, right? It's clear and obvious the downtrend is being continued. We made another lower low, swing lower low, 8,784 pips. So we are below this level of 8,825. Not very good for bulls at all. Very good for bears, because the key technical resistance is here. As you can see, this candlestick is telling you, this arrow is telling you that the level of 8,918 is the level of important technical resistance. Right now we are again, I think we are again trading in some sort of the channel. As you can see, plenty of channels today. Yeah, definitely we are trading, maybe not in the channel. Very well, let's just take a look. Maybe something like this, maybe. Okay, let's try this. As you can see, we started to diverge from the price. The RSI started to diverge from the price. We made a new low. There is no new low on RSI, so we're still going lower, but the market conditions are so oversold that the momentum is not that high anymore. So right now, as long as we trade inside of the channel, the outlook is bearish. If we will break out, okay, we can try some kind of a correction, some kind of a pullback to the upside, but the key is 8,918. As long as we are not above this level, then we cannot say definitely that the trend has changed, and definitely trend will not change as long as we trade below 9,000 pips on the US dollar to Swiss franc. And one more at the end, due to the data from the US, US dollar to Japanese yen. The situation is pretty much the same. We are seeing the sell-off of the American dollar across the board still. So as you can see, the downtrend is being continued. Not much on the bright side, let me say, for the bulls. Let me just yeah, this is what I wanted to see. We're still going lower, and I think we are going towards the level of 101.22. As you can see, new low was made. We are still trending below the trend line. All of the local technical support levels had been violated. This last candle here is kind of interesting, because it might be some sort of the doji. Some sort of the. Oh no, it's not. It's just a pin bar. So sorry for that. it still has a lower low though, so I think it's another reason for the market to come lower. Market conditions are oversold. We are starting to diverge from the price. The momentum is still negative, and the sentiment is still negative. Bears are in control of the Japanese yen market. They are selling the US dollar, buying the Japanese yen. So right now the next target for the US for this market is 101.22, which is the low of, well, it will be kind of a old one, I guess. Yes, 2020. Yeah, of course the middle of the March 2020 low. So we can approach the yearly low on the US dollar to Japanese yen. So that's everything for me for today. Hope you guys like it. Thank you very much for watching this chat and participate the technical analysis part with me. I hope I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new fresh analysis. So take care guys, and see you next time. Bye bye.